Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1.2, Dick Whittington and his cat. Last lecture we have seen about Dick Whittington, who was a very poor boy who his parents were died, and other people means villagers were kindly him very badly. They were treated him very unkindly, and he was overheard. Dick was overheard that street of London's were paved with the gold, means covered with the gold, and so he decided to went to go to London, and maybe he thought that maybe because of that he pick up their gold, and maybe his fortune will change, and people treated him kindly, and so Dick set out to London, and when he reached, he went to London with the cartman, and when he reached there, that time, what he saw? He saw there very dirty streets, no streets of London where no there any gold or anything, and he was that time when he reached that time, it was the before the nightfall he arrived to London, and there was nothing he saw any gold, and there were only saw the dirty streets and unfriendly people, and the when he was means he slept at the night in the corner of alley, means it's a narrow passage, and when he wake up next morning, there was that time he feel very sad, and he was very hungry. He begging their food, but while begging, no one gave him food, and that time at last he collapsed. Collapse means he was fallen on the road. He fell on the street, and he because of food. And next what happens, see. By chance Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant called Mr. Fitzwarren. Means by chance, it was his luck. It was his luck. Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant. He fallen means he collapsed in front of a house of rich merchant. That merchant's name is Mr. Fitzwarren. Mr. Fitzwarren. Everyone know meaning of merchant? Merchant means trader. Rich trader means he fallen in front of the house of Mr. Fitzwarren merchant. The cook was trying to drive Dick away, and the cook of Mr. Fitzwarren means she drew away to Dick, means try to drive to Dick away from this house. But that time, when Mr. Fitzwarren returned home from inspecting his sheep, it was his luck. Only that time when the cook trying to drive Dick away, that time only Mr. Fitzwarren he returned to his house from his inspecting his sheep. Okay, means he was went away to his sheep, and that time only arrived in that when cook was drive to Dick away, that time only Mr. Fitzwarren returned home. He stopped to cook and said to Dick, means he said to cook, don't drive to Dick, and he said to Dick, why don't you work if you need food? And Mr. Fitzwarren, he said to Dick, why don't you work if you need the food? And that time Dick means, if you need the food, why you not working? He asked to Dick. I would work. Dick said, I would like to work. Okay. But I know nobody who will give me anything to do. But I know nobody give me a work, for nobody will give me a work Okay, he said anything to do anything. Then next, see, take him into the kitchen. Mr. Frizwaran ordered the cook, and that time Mr. Frizwaran said his cook to take him in the kitchen, into the kitchen. Maybe means he was working there with his cook. Feed him first and then find him work for him. And feed him first, give him a food, and then find some work for him, and they give him some work. He ordered to cook, everyone know, those who are working in the kitchen. Okay, so Dick was given a home and a living, and like this way Dick got their home for living. He had a small corner of the attic to sleep in, and his job was to help the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. And like this way Dick got the home there for living, and there was a small corner of the attic. Attic means, see here meaning of attic, a very small room inside the pointed roof, where there is a pointed roof of house. मतलब घर के छत के जो पॉइंटेड मतलब छत था, उसके नीचे जो छोटी रूम थी, वहाँ उसको रहने के लिए जगह मिली. And his job was to help the cook with all the pots and pan in the kitchen. And what is his job? His job is to help the cook to his work, to her work, and all the pots and pan to wash all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Dick's life should have been much better than before. Now his life is much better than whatever he lived. Means it is now better than before. But he still had two difficulties to face. But still there were two difficulties he is now also facing in the house of Mr. Frizwaran. Okay. The first was that the attic he slept in was overrun by rats and mice. Where there was a attic, where there was a small room, means under the roof, that room there was too much rats and mice. Okay. At night they scamper all over him and kept him awake. And when he was asleep at night, that time these rat and mice, they were scamper all over him. Scamper means run here and there. When he was asleep at night, that time these means rats and mice, they were running here and there, and that's why he kept him awake. That's why he was not sleeping well there. Okay. After a time, he solved this problem by saving the few pennies he was paid and buying himself a cat. And after some days, he solved this problem. Which problem? By cats, rats and mice. Means these difficulties he solved, means whatever he saved the few pennies. Pennies, it is a currency of England. Currency of England. Means in our India currency is rupees. Like this way there is a currency pennies. Means he saved some pennies. He paid this penny and he buy a cat to himself. He buy a cat. In no time at all, the cat chased away all the rats and mice. And when he bought this cat in his room, that time this cat chased away all the rats and mice. Means he ate, and because of that cat, rats and mice, they all ran away from his room. And Dick was able to sleep peacefully. Like this way, Dick solved his first difficulty and he was able to sleep peacefully. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue the next part of the lesson. Okay. Everyone read this lesson.